Good morning students, I myself Dharamveer Singh welcomes you on the behalf of J. Somnath Primary School. Students, today we are going to learn Standard 7th English, a beautiful poem that is Chivi. It is written by Michelle Roshan. Chivi means a continuous urge to continuously urge someone to do something. Now we all know that as you are a small children, so all the time your adults, means your parents, your teachers and even your elder people, they will be teaching you something, to do this thing, to not to do this thing. So here it is a beautiful poem which shows that all the time our elders, they keep on telling us to do something, but when it's a time when we grow up and when it is a time to take a help from them, then what answer they give us. So let's start. Grown up adults say things like, grown ups means the adult person, what they say things like speak up. So when we are not speaking, that time they will be telling us to speak something. Don't talk with your mouth full. So when we are eating, they always tell us that at the time of eating, do not speak, or so they also teach us this thing. Don't stare. When we are looking at something, so they will be telling us to stare, means to look fixed. So whenever we are looking at something, they will be telling us to not to stare at something. Don't point. Whenever we want to know something, when we are pointing at something, that time they will be saying us to not to point. Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose means they will be all the time, the adult person, they will be telling us not to clean your nose. Sit up. So whenever we are sitting, whenever we are going somewhere, they will be telling us, or they will be giving us the continuous instruction to sit up or to stand straight. Say please, less noise, shut the door behind you. So they all the time they will be telling us and they will be pointing us either to sit up, either to say thank you or please. Whenever we are entering the room, they will be telling us to shut the door. Don't drag your feet. So they will be telling us, whenever we are walking, they will be telling us not to drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? If we are not having a handkerchief, they will be guided, they will be pointing us, or they will be telling us to have a handkerchief. Take your hands out of your pocket. Whenever we are standing very calmly, that time they will be telling us to take out the hand from our pocket. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt. So all the time they will be guiding us and they will be wanting us to do what they want, but they are not at all thinking of that in which thing we are feeling very placed. So they will be telling us to pull up your socks, then to stand up straight, then don't interrupt. When the two elder peoples are talking, that time when we will be saying, when a small child will be saying, they will be telling us not to interrupt. No one thinks you are funny, take your elbow off the table. So whenever we are sitting near the table and keeping the elbow, they will be telling us to take off the elbow from the table. Can't you make up your own mind up about anything? This last two lines, it says that when we are grown up, when we wanted the guidance of the elder people, that time when we are asking about the help, that time what they will be saying, that now we are completely grown up, you can't even take the decision of your own. So this beautiful poem teaches us that when we were a small children, that time our elder people, they wanted us, that how they wanted us to be treated how they wanted, but when we are adult and we wanted to take the guidance from them, that time they will be giving us the answer that now we are grown up, you can't take the decision of your own.